Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to open Excel document in protected view. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. Now we can see here a Excel document. Now we want to make this document protected view. At first, go to the file menu, select the info option, then click the protect workbook option. Now we can see here many options. Now you want to make the document protected view, select always open read only option, then go back the menu and click the save option, otherwise close the Excel and click save. Then again go to the file menu, then open the same file. Now we can see the author would like to open read only unless you need make change, then we click yes. Now we can see we open the file read only but not change the file. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.